Political story that we're tracking from Haryana. Well, the Chief Minister of Haryana, Nayab Singh Saini, is locked in a three-cornered contest in the Ladwa Assembly seat. Here are the details.
NDTV team has reached at Ladwa constituency, and this constituency is very, very hot for Haryana politics. We have seen one side the Chief Minister of Haryana, Nayab Singh Saini, is contesting election against the sitting Congress MLA Meva Singh. What the people think about this constituency and what will be the issues which the people of this constituency wants to get resolved from his own MLA candidate.
With the BJP fielding Chief Minister Nayab Singh Saini, the Ladwa seat in Kurukshetra is up for a stiff battle.
लाडवा की सरदारी का जो आशीर्वाद जो प्यार मिल रहा है वो गजब का उत्साह आशीर्वाद अपने बेटे को देने के लिए आए हैं। आज मुझे पूर्ण विश्वास हो गया हरियाणा में तीसरी बार बहुत बड़े मैंडेट के साथ सरकार बन रही है। कोई संशय नहीं, आपके सामने है कितना जोश और उत्साह लोगों के अंदर है।
It's a challenging seat for the BJP as the Congress leader Meva Singh won it in 2019 and has been fielded again.
पूरे प्रदेश में 36 बिरादरी के लोगों ने मन बनाया हुआ है। हरियाणा प्रदेश में कांग्रेस की सरकार बनने जा रही है। अब 5 महीने से इस प्रदेश का मुख्यमंत्री है, एक दिन भी लाडवे में नहीं आए हैं। अब कैंडिडेट घोषित होने के बाद आए हैं। प्रदेश की जनता 36 बिरादरी के लोग चौधरी भूपेंद्र सिंह हुड्डा जी को इस प्रदेश का मुख्यमंत्री देखना चाहते हैं।
The Ladwa constituency was carved out of the Thanesar seat of Kurukshetra and saw its first election in 2009. The INLD's Bharshami won this seat in 2009, but after his conviction in the JBT scam along with former Chief Minister Om Prakash Chautala and Ajay Chautala, he had to quit. His wife Bachchan Kaur unsuccessfully contested the 2014 elections, and later his daughter-in-law also tasted defeat in 2019. The BJP had won the seat in 2014 and the Congress in 2019. The Bharshami family has been the face of the INLD in Ladwa. The BJP has fielded the Chief Minister from the seat, hoping to combat anti-incumbency in this state. In the recent Lok Sabha elections, the BJP had performed well in Ladwa as its candidate Naveen Jindal got 66,000 votes, while the India Bloc candidate Sushil Gupta bagged 57,000 votes. Which way will Ladwa voters vote this time remains to be seen.
मुख्यमंत्री बने भी 5 महीने हो गए उनको, अभी तक तो लाडवा में उनकी शक्ल दिखी नहीं। जब से उन्होंने फार्म भरना या नाम अनाउंस हुआ, वो पहली बार लाडवा में आना शुरू हुए। सीएम साहब खुद खड़े हैं यहाँ से, ये तो होगा कि सीएम साहब को लोग बनाना चाहेंगे भी, सीएम बने तो काम होए यहाँ पर।
Voters of this constituency, they have already shown their concern about the traffic jam. They have been demanding bypass so that there should be less traffic jam within this town. So let's see how the voters are going to cast their vote. But as of now, what we can understand from the voters' mind, they will keep all the local issues in their mind while casting their votes. With Vijay, Rajesh Kumar, this is Group Singh China for NDTV, Ladwa, Haryana.